In the world of heavy machinery, the unloading of soil from a dump truck may seem like a mundane event. But every now and then, a twist of fate adds a touch of unpredictability to the routine. In this video, we witness the dramatic moment when gravity decides to play an unexpected prank, causing a once mighty dump truck to lose its footing and perform a rather awkward sideways tumble. And here's how the barge's launch looks like from the back of a dump truck. In a remarkable display of teamwork and determination, a video captures a heartwarming moment as one dump truck comes to the rescue of its fallen comrade. The scene unfolds on the side of a road, where an unfortunate dump truck finds itself lying helplessly on its side. But fear not, for the power of solidarity is about to take center stage. This is what body loading looks like on a dump truck. If you know this model of machine, write in the comments. I wanted to study the specification of this machine. These guys know exactly what risk is. They decided to load all the sacks at once so they wouldn't have to drive twice, but aren't they afraid that the truck might roll over? I must say, Watching that excavator driver perform those stints is nothing short of mind-blowing. It's astonishing to see the level of control and finesse the driver displayed while operating such a powerful machine. Every move seemed calculated and executed flawlessly, from precise spins and flips to delicate balancing acts. Evidently, this driver has mastered their craft and pushed the boundaries of what an excavator can do. Wow, that truck maneuvering through the tight corner and arch was mesmerizing. The driver's skill and precision were on full display. It's incredible how gracefully the truck navigated such a challenging situation. Kudos to the driver for their exceptional control and spatial awareness. This video is a perfect example of the artistry involved in professional truck driving. Simply impressive. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. On our channel you can find a lot of videos about heavy equipment which is used in different industries. Click on the end screen saver and keep watching.